We are off to a flaming start. We had that first shop for $29. Then we got this curbside for $38, and then we had that tip load in from yesterday. So I'm at like $77 or something in like the first 2 hours.
Everybody, welcome to the freaking channel. Today, I'm showing you guys how to make $400 every day in the gig economy using DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Shipt, Spark, Roadie. I almost said Instacart, but I am deactivated on there. Rest in peace, Instacart. Anyways, we're starting the day with this $29 shop from Walmart on Spark. Easy little shop. Run in, grab some items, drop it off. Easy $29 to start the day. And if you don't use Upside to get cash back, I will come and find you. It is free money you're leaving on the table if you don't use it. Use it!
We are off to a flaming start. We had that first shop for $29. Then we got this curbside for $38, and then we had that tip load in from yesterday. So I'm at like $77 or something in like the first 2 hours. Let's get it.
So yeah, we had that tip load in from yesterday as well, at $10.17 tip. And we're already getting freaky early, guys. We got these 3 orders, okay? And I got this preferred member shipped on the right that you're seeing from a Target that was far away, which is the only reason I took that Uber Eats and DoorDash order, because it was taking me closer to that Target. So it was less distance that I had to drive for free.
Also, your driver Mike noticed me. I just want to be noticed by my goat, my king, your driver Mike. Notice me.
And you guys wouldn't believe it, but as I was dropping off that Uber Eats order that was taking me closer to this Target, I ended up getting a DoorDash shop from the same Target that the shipped order was from. So I was able to knock them both out, drop off the DoorDash, and then go to drop off the shipped order. But as I was doing that, I ended up getting this. So since the delivery windows are so large or big on Shipt, I was able to do it all. So I dropped off the Filiberto's order, then the shipped order, and yeah. And guess what? As I was dropping off that Filiberto's order, I ended up getting this order on the left that you're seeing, this bundle, and then the $6.89 order. I did not take the $9.43 one, ignore that. But I ended up getting those 3 orders as I was dropping off the other ones. And then I had a tip load in from the first order that I took of the day. So that's what you're seeing these totals here for. Now here's where things get really freaky. So I got those 3 orders that you guys just saw, right? And I shopped them, and then I went to go drop off the first one, and then I got those shipped orders that just came on the screen right now. So I headed back to the Target to drop it off, but I also got a McDonald's order on the way back to the Target. So I went back to the Target, had the remaining 2 orders in the car, shopped the other 3 shipped orders, and then dropped all 5 of them off at the same time. Then as I was dropping off all 5, I got those 2 orders you're seeing on the left, and then that 1038 order you're seeing on the right, not the one above it. So I took those 4 orders as well, and then I had those tips loaded in that you just saw, and that's what this breakdown is here. And then I got $7 cash from someone.
I finally got a minute to breathe. I dropped off all of those last shipped orders. I got the bonus. I had the tips loaded in. I got a cash tip right now, and it's 3:15 or 3:18. So it's gonna put me at the Walmart like right at 3:30, basically, right in time for the 3:30 drop. Which is again it's a part of the strategy. Is like, you know, if you can get to the Walmart at the drop time, which is the 30-minute mark or around there, of every hour, then that's a good optimal strategy in my opinion. But yeah, like there's never downtime right now. Again, it's 3:18 after my drops, so yeah, I'm gonna go head over there and get me a good Walmart order.
So as I'm going to get me a good Walmart order, not only did I get it, that $31 order, but then I also got a DoorDash taking me right to the Walmart. And then I dropped off that DoorDash and then got another DoorDash that was easily able to be stacked with the Walmart shop. So that's why I dropped off all 4 orders. All 3. And then I got these back-to-back Spark orders to end the day, like insane orders, a $56 shop to end the night. So we ended up at $467 to end the day. And then here's some tips that loaded in after this day was recorded already. This came in like much later. And here's the daily recap. Here's all the stats. $470, $40.88 a mile, or an hour, $3.82 a mile. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for stopping in. I'll see you guys in the next one.